The phenomenon of designing roads with curves rather than long, straight stretches is rooted in both psychological and physiological factors that influence human alertness and safety. Let's dive deeper into the reasoning behind this practice, supported by scientific facts. Monotony and driver fatigue. Long, straight roads, especially highways or motorways, can induce a condition known as highway hypnosis or white line fever. This occurs when a driver becomes fatigued or less attentive due to the monotonous nature of the drive. When a road lacks variety in terms of visual stimuli, the brain becomes less engaged, which can lead to reduced alertness and even drowsiness. Fact: studies have shown that driver fatigue is responsible for 10. Role of noradrenaline in alertness. Noradrenaline or norepinephrine is a neurotransmitter and hormone that plays a crucial role in maintaining wakefulness and alertness. It is produced in a part of the brain called the locus coeruleus, which regulates attention, arousal, and responses to stress. When the brain experiences decreased stimulation like during a monotonous, straight road drive, noradrenaline levels can drop, leading to feelings of sluggishness and reduced mental engagement. Fact: research shows that noradrenaline levels drop when individuals are exposed to boring, repetitive stimuli, such as a long, uneventful road or lecture. This makes it more challenging to stay alert, increasing the risk of accidents. Curves and road design. Engineers design roads with curves to introduce a sense of variety, which forces drivers to stay engaged. When a driver encounters turns or changes in road elevation, they must adjust their steering, speed, and attention. This creates necessary cognitive stimulation that keeps the brain active. Fact: curved roads require constant micro-adjustments in steering, which stimulates the driver's brain and helps maintain higher levels of attention. Studies show that such roads reduce the risk of fatigue-related accidents compared to long, straight stretches. Driver reaction time. On straight roads, drivers are less likely to notice and react quickly to sudden changes, such as obstacles or traffic slowdowns. Curves, by their nature, force drivers to adjust their attention and speed, ensuring they are mentally prepared for unexpected events. Fact: roads with slight curves reduce the average reaction time of drivers, as they remain more vigilant. In contrast, drivers on long straight roads can develop a false sense of security, making them slower to react in emergency situations. Brakes and rest stops. Long-distance driving, particularly on straight highways, requires regular breaks to keep drivers alert. It's advised that drivers stop every 2 hours to stretch, rest, and refresh their minds. The lack of physical activity and sustained concentration can lower noradrenaline levels, leading to fatigue. Studies, including those by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and HTSA, indicate that taking regular breaks significantly reduces the likelihood of fatigue-related accidents. Safety measures. Curves also act as a natural speed control measure. When roads are perfectly straight, drivers are more likely to speed up, which increases the risk of high-speed accidents. Curves force drivers to slow down, enhancing overall road safety. Fact: statistics from road safety organizations show that speed-related accidents are more common on long, straight stretches of road compared to curvy routes, where drivers are required to adjust speed more frequently.